Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
All right, Christopher Reyes, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, good morning. Okay, this is in the matter of Nicole Deanne Jupe versus Christopher Thomas Reyes, file number 2015-41906 DM. Looks like you had a court-appointed attorney, did you not?
I do not have one, no.
All right, so Mr. Reyes, we're here today on a show cause that was adjourned from April 8th. On April 8th, we talked and you were supposed to make your March and April payment and those were not made. Are you able to make those today?
Your Honor, I'm finishing up a big job. That's the only thing that held me up. I'm almost done with it. The end of this month is kind of when I was hoping that I'd be able to have it before this court date, but I mean, I don't have any extra money. I'm pretty much broke until I finish this job. It's kind of screwed me up a little bit.
So Mr. Reyes, I appreciate people who are go-getters and go work for themselves and do these things, but you need a job where you make payments. You're going to get charged with a felony. You understand that, don't you?
I don't understand why. I understand what you have told me that, but
in the state of Michigan, once you reach about $10,000, the Attorney General reviews these cases, or I report them to the AG, and they will charge you with the 4-year felony, which means they'll arrest you on a warrant, they'll put you in jail, they'll require you to put a minimum 20% down, and then you get placed on probation and to pay that down. So if you're not able to pay your $256 a month in child support doing what you're doing, then go get a job at a factory, do something else, and do side jobs.
No, I understand, Your Honor. I'm literally trying to get to the point where I can pay off a large chunk of this. I mean, even though I was pretty much homeless when all of this came up.
Right.
But I'm trying to take care of it all now. I've already tried to reach out.
So you're telling me you're going to pay 700 and I don't know, 750. You're going to pay $800 by the end of the month.
Once I finish this job, I'll be able to pay off, until next month. That's all I've been working on this month. I've been working on this job.
So my question was, at the end of the month, you're going to be able to pay $800 to pay for March, April, and May.
Yes, I will 100% have, all the money to pay for all of it.
All right, Miss Adams, can I get a date for June 3rd? Do we have anything open June 3rd?
June 3rd. We don't, except you do have a motion for summary at 11 if you want to squeeze it in at 11:30.
I don't have any front of the court show causes at 8 o'clock.
Oh, show causes. Yes, I'm sorry.
All right. Okay, thank you. So Mr. Reyes, I'm going to adjourn this to June 3rd at 8 a.m. And I want you here in person. Do you understand?
To come down there in person? Okay, I can.
And you better have either paid it, unless you paid the 800. You paid the 800.
I'll have it paid by then.
Mr. Reyes, you keep telling me you're going to have it and you don't have it. So listen to me. If you pay the 800 in person, if you pay it 2 weeks before that date and Miss Stevenson can verify it, that's great. But you either show up that day with $800 or understand you're facing jail.
You're right. I understand that.
Okay, so I'm going to set this over to June 3rd at 8 a.m. And where are you? Let me see here. Leave by 6:30 to get here because it's a long drive. But if you pay it a couple weeks in advance and Miss Stevenson can verify you paid the 800, then she can adjourn it again. All right.
Okay. Yep, that's
okay.
I was hoping.
So, Mr. Reyes, like you said, if you can't, it's nice to be able to say that at least your kids are eating, even though you're not paying your child support. But if you can't make monthly payments, then get a different job. So we'll see you back on June 3rd at 8 a.m. in person. Thank you.
Maybe I'll get to see my daughter by then too. All right, have a good day.
Bye. That's a separate thing.